Archaeological evidence. Archaeological finds from in and around Baghdad give us an insight into daily life at the height of the Islamic civilization. Some of the most complete, beautiful, and interesting artifacts from across the Islamic world are on permanent display at the British Museum in London. Cups and dishes are among the more down-to-earth items that have been discovered. Some of these are basic ceramic or stone items, while others have been delicately carved or hand-painted with striking designs. Jars and cooking pots were used to hold food, water, wine, and other household items. Sometimes remnants of food are found in the pots, giving us a glimpse of the types of foods being cooked and eaten at the time. Again, some were plain while others were highly decorated. The most beautiful examples may have been more decorative than practical. Rich people displayed beautiful items in their homes to demonstrate their wealth and status. Tiles and wall paintings are a lasting display of Islamic art and design. Plaster was painted with images of important people, and tiles were decorated with beautiful, symmetrical patterns. Bottles made of rock crystal, clear quartz, held ointments, medicines, and perfumes. Many were intricately carved, and some had lids made of precious metals such as silver or gold. Stone carvings, such as the panels on display at the British Museum, tell us the names of important historical people, or the name of an architect, builder, or craftsperson. They help us to date buildings and furniture. Buildings and their foundations give us important information about the layout of cities and the types of buildings found there. The style of architecture gives clues about when the buildings were built. Coins were imprinted with images of royalty. The images and inscriptions help to date other objects found alongside them. Clothing and jewelry tell us about Islamic fashion and style. Most clothing was made of organic materials and has rotted over time. Leather items sometimes stand the test of time, but by far the most common fashion findings are jewelry items such as necklaces, bracelets, and brooches made of silver, gold, and precious stones. Some items contained amulets set to protect the wearer from harm.